lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Septembers Boxycharm Boxyluxe Box. So this is the biggest box that you can get from them. This is the one that comes every 3 months, so it's quarterly I think, or seasonal. I just call it seasonal because it's like it comes in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. It's like 4 times a year. So yes, this is the biggest box that they offer. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So as usual, I did go ahead and try on the makeup products that are in this box off camera before I filmed this. That way I can give you guys my first impressions of the products as I show them to you. But here is the card this time around. It's just a plain looking black card. I think it's kind of like of a view of skyscrapers. I don't know. It looks like you're like looking up at buildings. Anyways, it just says Fall Luxe 2022, and then of course on the back are all the products. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get the skincare products out of the way first, just because the exciting part for me is the makeup part, but that's just me. But anyway, so skincare products first. So first up, I see something from Beauty Bio, and it is Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. So I believe these are eye patches or under eye masks or whatever you want to call them. So you get 8 pairs in the box, and I'm for sure it's just in packaging. Yeah, it's just in little packets like this. So there's 8 of them in here, and let's see, how much does this retail for? I'm going to guess like at least $30 because that's how skincare is. So Beauty Bio. Oh, I was close. It's $28 for these. And this is a new brand to Boxy, so that's cool. I honestly don't use under eye patches. I'm sure I should use them, but I just don't. Alright, and then moving on to Rin Clean Skincare. This is Redness Relief Serum. So it's some type of serum, I guess. This bad boy right here retails for $60. Yeah, it just says Evercalm Redness Relief Serum. So I'm guessing some kind of moisturizer. I don't know. What's the difference between a moisturizer and a serum? I don't really know. Alright, so let's look at the product. So it is in this nice glass bottle, and it has a pump on it. So that's nice. I do like products that have pumps on them instead of like droppers. I don't know, I just find them easier to use, but that's pretty cool. So I'm sure eventually I will someday try this out. Alright, and then one of my choice items, and this is from Elo. I'm probably saying that wrong. I don't even know how to say that brand, so I'm not going to try. But anyways, this is my choice item because typically if I have a choice between makeup and skincare, I will always choose makeup, so I'm assuming I only have the choice of skincare products. So this retails for $34, and this is a Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, which I'm guessing is another sort of moisturizer. Yeah, it looks like it. So it's just in this nice orange packaging. It is kind of like a glass kind of bottle. So that's cool. Alright, so that's all the skincare out of the way. So now moving on to the makeup products. So first up, I see something here from Kaveen. I don't know how to say that. It appears to be a lip duo, like lip pencils. I think 2 lip pencils. Let's look. What does it say? Alright, so these retail for $18, and it's an In Crime Lip Liner Duo. Kind of interesting. I guess she has them on her lips, and like that's why her lips are like 2 different colors. I don't know. All that packaging for 2 little pencils. Alright, so let's see. We have the shade SOS and Spray Tan. So I will go ahead and swatch them. Ooh, this one has a funny looking tip. It's like missing a big patch in it. I guess when they poured it, it didn't pour very well. Alright. So we have like a reddish color and then like a brown tan color. They feel nice. I didn't actually use these today because I don't actually plan on keeping them. I have a lot of lip pencils already, and these are shades that I have already. Like, not exactly this from this brand, but I have similar shades like this, so I'm going to pass this on to a family member or a friend. The $18 for that. And then we have something here from Make, and this is a serum balm, and it's in the shade Nude Nova. This retails for $26, and this is a new brand of Boxy. So it says a lip serum, but I was thinking it was kind of a gloss because it looks like a gloss. It's like in this really big packaging. I did try this out today, and I'm not sure how I like it so far. I feel like it, I don't know. Maybe it was the combo that I used, because I did put like a ColourPop liquid lipstick on, and then I put that on top. Maybe I didn't let the liquid lipstick dry down long enough, but I feel like it kind of made, I don't know. I'll have to keep playing with this. It seems like when I did put it on, I had like a weird taste in my mouth, and I didn't eat it. Like, I didn't lick my lips. I don't know why I had like a weird taste in my mouth. I don't know, it could just be a coincidence. It may not actually be the product, so I'll keep using it. But so far, it's an okay product. I didn't really, I don't know, I can still feel it on my lips, and they feel okay. I don't know. I'm not sure what I think about this product. I will keep playing with it. I'm not sure. All right, and then moving on, we have a cream blush in here from Dominique Cosmetics, and I did get an email stating that I was going to receive a duplicate, and I'm assuming this is what the duplicate was, because I've gotten one of these cream blushes before from Dominique Cosmetics in a previous box, but I don't know, like, I wasn't really mad about it because I actually got a different shade this time around. Like, I think the last time I got I think the shade was soft pink, and this one is warm peach, so to me, it's not really a duplicate. It's the same product, but it's a different shade, so it's not really the same product. Needless to say, I am not mad about it because I got a whole different shade, and so I'm like, oh, cool. You know, I like the first one I got, so here is what it looks like. Again, this is in the shade Warm Peach, and these blushes retail for $22. So apparently you can use this on your cheeks and lips. I will probably only use it on my cheeks because after dipping my brush in here, it did leave little fuzzies in there just from, that's what happens when you use a brush on a cream product. But I do have it on, and I think it actually looks really nice. I will have to say you have to be, I don't know, I feel like the pink one didn't move my foundation any when I applied it, and of course maybe it was the foundation that I used. I'll have to play around with it, but I feel like this time around it may have budged it a little bit, but not too bad, and the shade is actually really pretty, so I'm pretty happy about getting this. Alright, 2 more products and then I am done. So next up is my second choice item, because with Boxyluxe Box you get to customize 2 items, which I think personally you should be able to customize 3, because the premium box you get to customize 2, and you know, this is the biggest box, but that's just my personal opinion. But anyways, I chose this product here from, where are you from? Lawless Beauty. And this is the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing Mascara, and this retails for $25. And yeah, I did try it out today because I actually been going through some of my mascaras and going through them pretty quickly because I'm just trying to use up ones that I've already opened, and some of the ones I've been using up have been almost done, so it's not been taking me long. Anyways, I was like, you know what, I could open a new one today. Anyways, I am not honestly a huge fan of this mascara, unfortunately, and the reason is it's the wand. So the actual formula is not bad, but look at this wand and tell me, does this look like one that you would want to use? You see how tiny those bristles are? And I think they try to do like this. It's obviously one of those silicone ones, if my camera will focus. There we go. And it's kind of supposed to have like this weird tip. Let me look at the packaging. Let me show you the packaging. Because on the box it's supposed to show you on the box it shows you what the wand's supposed to look like. You see that there? It has like a weird kind of like round tip with like spikes coming out of it, and of course on the sides are all the spikes. Anyways, I don't know if I got a janky wand or if this is how the wand's supposed to be, but this did not make it easy to use. The little spikes are super, super short, and I don't think there's a stopper. There might be a little bit of a stopper in here, but what I'm noticing is that just a ton of product getting on this wand, and it's just like, it just didn't separate the lashes very well, and because it has so much product on it, it was also applying too much product on it, on my lashes, and it was just kind of making it clumpy. I don't know. I'm not a fan of the wand, which is really sad because I think the actual mascara, like the actual formula of the mascara, is fine. It's just the wand that's not very good. So yeah, I was pretty disappointed about this. I was like, man, this wand really sucks. And I would be super disappointed if I paid $25 for this, and then that's what I got. But yeah, I don't know if I got a weird wand or if that's how it's supposed to be, but I'm not impressed with it. But I'll continue to use it because it's in my collection, and maybe I can just use a different wand with the mascara. I don't know, maybe. Or I'll just suffer through and just kind of be careful and try to get my lashes to separate. I don't know. Wouldn't recommend. No. Alright, and then the last product in the box is probably the most exciting product in the box, to be completely honest, is this Natasha Denona Zindo palette. Yeah. I was pretty excited to see this in the box. I didn't even know that this was going to be in the box. This retails for $69. I believe the Boxyluxe box is $60 now. So this right here pays for the whole box. But yeah, I was really excited to see this in here. So here is the palette. It's super, super shiny. But let's just look inside the palette because that's what everybody wants to see. But there it is. It's definitely a nice fall palette, I would say. Like at first glance, I didn't think it was gonna be like good for fall, but like this is what I have on my eyes right now, and this gold shade here definitely has like a really warm undertone to it, and it almost looks orangey. Because when I applied it, I was like, that doesn't look like a gold, that looks like orange. But I'm not mad about it because, like I said, I think it's gonna be perfect for fall. And then so the shades I would use this one here as my transition shade, kind of like overall, and this shade was super pigmented. I only had to go dip into it once and spread it all around the whole lid, and it was like a very warm brown. And then I use this dark shade over here. Kind of looks dark. In pan it doesn't really look that dark, but I use this in my outer corners, and it's actually it's a pretty nice dark brown. It doesn't look very dark. Or maybe it's just me. I don't know, but when I saw that, I was like, that doesn't look very dark. I don't know if that's going to be dark enough. But no, it worked perfectly for the outer corners, and then I used this gold shade here as the overall shimmer shade. It didn't have a good highlighter inner corner shade, because all the shimmers are they're not dark, but they're not like super bright. So I just used highlighter for my inner corner, just from whatever was in my vanity. But anyways, I actually really like this so far. Yeah, there's quite a bit of different, depending on what your mood is. There's some nice greens over here, some blues, pinks, and then your neutral shades. So yeah, I think this is going to be a fun palette to use, and I'm excited to have this in my collection. So yeah, definitely happy to have gotten this. And definitely this has made the whole box. Alright, so that is everything in my box, and I'm just going to go ahead and tally up everything to let you guys know the overall value, and then after that I'll do like a final run through of everything to let you guys know my final thoughts and whether or not I think this month's box is worth it. Alright, so the overall value for this box was $282, which is not too bad considering I paid $60, I believe, for this. Although I will say, I feel like that's kind of a low value for a luxe box. I feel like that's kind of almost like close to like a premium, or sometimes even the base box. I don't know, maybe the base box doesn't usually get that high, but premium sometimes does. But yeah, so that's the overall value. So final run through. So let me just go through. So I feel like this box was pretty balanced when it came to skincare and then the makeup side. I did get less skincare than I did makeup, so that's always good. And for the actual skincare, I'm not like super blown away by what I got, but I'm not mad about it. I think the only product that maybe I'm just not thrilled to get is probably these eye masks, or whatever these things are called. I don't even know what these are. I call them eye mask, eye patches, whatever you want to call them. It's just a personal thing because I just don't use them. I have tons of these that I've gotten in boxes, and I kind of just hoard them away because I don't use them that often, and honestly I forget about them. Maybe I'll try to make a conscious effort to use them, but I probably won't. I'll just forget about them again, but I might pass them on to somebody else, honestly, and I probably will because like I said, I have a ton of these. But you know, for other people who love getting these, I'm sure this is an exciting product to get. And then these other two, which I think this one is moisturizer. I don't know, sometimes they don't make it very obvious. I'm like, what is a gel cream? Brightening gel cream. Moisturizer, that's what I'm thinking. And then a serum, which again, I think is a moisturizer. I don't know. But not too bad to get these. I do have a lot of moisturizers, but these will definitely get used at some point. So at least it's not something that I've ever tried before. So there's that. All right, and then the actual makeup products. I think I'm most excited about these two products here. Obviously, the Natasha Denona palette and then the cream blush are definitely my two favorite makeup products out of them all. I think these right here are really exciting products to get. As for the other products, I feel like the lip liners are kind of just a toss-in item. I don't feel like they really, I don't know, I'm not really thrilled to get them. These are shades that I've gotten several times in my boxes. They seem okay, nothing too special in my opinion. The mascara, I was pretty disappointed in just because the wand just doesn't seem like it's great quality and it's going to be hard to use. But the actual mascara, I mean, it does look nice, I guess. My lashes look okay. And then this, I'm not sure what to think of this. This is just like a lip balm, I think. It says lip serum or serum balm. But yeah, I'll keep using this. I may end up passing it on if it doesn't work for me, but yeah. So, was this box worth it? Yes, I think it was worth it just because it had the Natasha Denona palette in it. Honestly, that is what makes the whole box, just to be completely honest. I do really like the cream blush though, so those two products are definitely my favorite out of the whole box, and then the rest of it is kind of just like bonus items. So I think it was worth it this month for me personally. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel, and also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Did you guys get Boxyluxe? And if you did, what did you think of your box? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!